so I've been messing around with this little chainsaw, and it's sweet. This is not your girlfriend's chainsaw. I always saw these and thought, oh, that's homeowner trash, right? And it kind of is, but it's kind of an awesome saw, right? It's less than 200 bucks. I did 1/4 inch chain mod on it, super easy. You guys know, change the sprocket, 1/4 inch bar. This is a 14-inch bar, and it's like a fun saw to limit around. Like, my guys use this behind the chipper. They use it, I even will climb a little bit with it, like chunk down some big stuff. I have Lyme disease right now, so my fatigue is real. So instead of lugging around a bigger saw, honestly, if I can grab this thing, I will. Is it a 261? No, it's not even close. Is it a cool little saw for $200 and maybe $15 with the 1/4 inch sprocket and bar mod? Yeah, I think it is. Is that not a super cool little chainsaw or what? I love this thing. So honestly, I made a video before about the muffler mod on it, but with the 1/4 inch bar and chain on it, like, she's the real deal. I mean, it's not. It's a 170, but it's a cool little saw. For like $200, you can have an awesome little saw. So I don't know. I just figured I'd hop on and show you guys a neat little modification on this MS 170, and hope you enjoy. Have a great day.